Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Facebook Pixel. So I'm going to break down Facebook Pixel and how it's being used and the reason why Facebook Pixel is very important for your Facebook ads. Now, there's a video I created recently on how to run an effective Facebook sales campaign. I'm going to be dropping the link of the video, the top right corner of this video. So if you have not watched that video, try as much as possible to watch the video. It talked about how to create Facebook ads using artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence we leveraged on was ChatGPT. So don't forget to watch that video. All right, let's dive into this video proper. So, what is Facebook Pixel? All right, says Facebook Pixel, now called Meta Pixel, is a piece of code on your website that tracks user actions and helps you measure ads campaign effectively, optimize ad delivery to reach the right audience, and create audiences for remarketing to the past website visitors. It allows you to see if people are converting, e.g., making a purchase or signing up to your newsletter or to your whatever you want them to sign up for, or an event or anything, and provides Meta with data to show your ads to people more likely to take desired action, leading to a better returns on investment. That means Facebook Meta Pixel is very important for your ads. First thing I'm going to do, I need to access my Facebook page. So I'm just going to come here, my Facebook, pardon me. Just going to come here. So I love going intro page, and let's click on pages here. So I'll go through my Meta Business Suite. Go through my Meta Business Suite. So I'm just allowing Meta Business Suite to load. When it loads, I'll just come straight down to All Tools. I'll click on All Tools. So I'll access my event manager. I'm just going to make this video very fast. I'm just making it very, very fast to save time. So I have some pixels that have already been created before during some of the classes I took. So I'm just going to create a new pixel now that I'm going to connect to my website. So what you need is a pixel, bunch of codes that Facebook is going to generate for you so you can actually connect it to your website. Now, I'm going to start from here. Click on Connect Data. Now, website, I want to connect to a website. So I'm going to click Website. Then click Next. So it says select an existing data bit or search by name. So I want to create a new data sheet. So what name do you want to give the data sheet? Let's just say cosmetic. Cosmetic online store. Online store. So I'll click on Next. So after creating that, the next thing you're going to do is to refresh to see if it's actually been created. Yes, if you look at this now, we notice that cosmetic online store has been created. So what's the next thing we're going to do? Now, all you need to do is to come down, either come in here or you go to your data sets. When you click on your data set, that's going to show you the different pixels that you've created. So we're just going to come here to select the actual pixel I want to work on. I want this particular one, which is cosmetic online store. Cosmetic online store. So I'm just going to come in here. Then I'll come to settings. When you come to settings, you notice the date 10th September 2025. So it was created today. The date is 10th September 2025. So let's say I need this code. So this is data ID. So I'm going to copy the data ID. Copy. So I'll move down to seller. So next thing I will do on seller is to sign into my seller. So it says so logging into this seller account. So the next thing I'm going to do from here is I just want to come to these three hamburgers, go all the way down to integrations. I'll click on integration, click on Facebook Pixel. So it's going to say update Pixel. So I already have Pixel linked to this. So if I want to change it to This particular one we just created for cosmetic online stores. Remember, it has to be a website. Remember, this store has to be online. You understand? So, but I've created a website. So we are assuming that this store was created on Seller. So I'm just going to come here and paste the link. Then I'll click on update. Gonna click on update. It says success. Pixel setting updated. Be sure to test Pixel installed on Facebook Pixel events. To do that, you just need to click on this link. So this link directs you back to Facebook. Directs you back to Facebook. So when you get to Facebook, the next thing you are subsection on the test tab of your Pixel. So there are two ways you can actually test your Pixel if it's correctly installed. First is to confirm via server events. Now, for you to do this, all you need to do is to copy this test code and then launch your Graph API Explorer. But note, for you to be able to use this, you must be a developer on Facebook. So you have to register as a Facebook developer to get started. So you're not a developer, so I'm going to be using the other method. So which is going to be confirmed that your website events are correctly set up, which is the second method. So what I need to do is to come here, copy the URL of the website that the pixel from Facebook was installed on. And remember, we're actually leveraging on Seller. So how do we get the link of our website? Because Seller is automatically going to generate a link for you, which is said to be your website link. So I'm just going to come here to these three hamburgers as well. I'll scroll all the way down, then I will look for settings. I will look for settings. Where is the settings? So I'm going to click on general store settings. So when I click on general store settings, I'm just going to come here. It says store name. This is the store name, username. So this is a store URL. So all I need to do is to copy this store URL, Ctrl C, then go back to my test event section. Where's it? All right. So I'm just come here, paste URL, then click on test. So I'm just going to wait and see what is going to happen. So it brought me back to the seller page. That means my Pixel is working perfectly and well installed on Facebook. So if you like this video, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on the video. Don't forget to share and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.